Hey folks, the last of the warm and humid evenings across the valley. This is it, because changes come tomorrow courtesy of a strong front in the morning. Maybe warm when you head off to work or school, but take that jacket anyway because it'll be cool by the time you get out. Southeast winds about 16 right now. The dew point's at 71, so it's muggy. Temperatures mainly in the 80s, a little warmer in Rio Grande City, 92. Overnight, we bottom out in the 70s, valley-wide, 70 to 76 across the area. Wind all night stays out of the southeast at about 7 to 14, but then tomorrow, temps are going to fall behind the front. We'll be up in the 70s, maybe touching 80 in the lower valley before the front gets here, but then those temperatures are going to tumble, and by late afternoon we're into the upper 50s. So a big drop in the temperatures. 25 degrees or so cooler tomorrow at this time than it is right now, so a significant drop behind that front. Normal high for this time of year is 82. We'll be 77 in the morning, but then fall, then that 77 can go up or down, depends on the timing of the front. The sooner it gets there, the cooler you'll be. The later it arrives for you, like Brownsville, South Padre, probably a little bit warmer than that. We only recover to 58 on Saturday, then Sunday back to 67 degrees as the atmosphere dries just a little bit on Sunday. Satellite doesn't show much happening with the front today. We've been able to track it on radar just to the north of Corpus Christi, even though there's no rain with it right now. We can see the wind shift, and it's been in that one spot pretty much all day long. It's kind of meandered back and forth about 15 to 20 miles, and that's about it. Right now, the cooler air battling with the warm, humid air that's here. Overnight tonight, the cooler air will get heavier, it'll get colder and start to push southward, courtesy of a new ridge building in from the north. That pushes the front through tomorrow morning. Once it comes through, that wind will shift. It'll turn much chillier. Light rain and drizzle, could even be a shower or thunder shower in one or two spots. That won't be the flavor of the day. It'll just be that gray sky with the rain and drizzle for the most part. Chilly conditions build in there here Saturday. I think Sunday, most of the rain tapers off except maybe right at the coast, but it's still a gray day. Monday, another front arrives, and that one has some more chilly air behind it. So we'll start to warm up briefly on Monday. That front will come through and temperatures will drop once again. Here's a close-up version of it. Overnight tonight is quiet, but here first thing in the morning, here comes the front. We're still warm at 9 a.m. according to Future Track. The front knocking on the door. By noon, it's certainly south of all of us, and everybody sees much cooler temperatures then. And then it just stays, well, a lot of green on the map, a lot of rain through football hours Friday evening. Saturday, I think there's a lot less rain, most of it concentrated to the coast. For the most part, just a gray day across the area. And then Sunday still, I think we see mostly cloudy skies with maybe a stray shower even on Sunday as well. 80% tomorrow, 40% Saturday, 20% on Sunday. There's the front. Look at that, 64 in San Antonio, but 80 in Laredo. Of course, 89 in McAllen and 40 in Dalhart. A lot of range across the state today. Tomorrow morning, temperatures here in the 70s. San Antonio in the 50s, Houston as well. Dallas in the 40s. By afternoon, we'll briefly warm up and then drop into the 60s by 5 o'clock, even 50s in many places, and most of the state staying in the 50s pretty much all day tomorrow. So for us for tonight, a low 72, partly cloudy skies, a little patchy fog. Then tomorrow back up to 77, but turning cooler. In fact, colder once that front comes in. Light rain, drizzle, kind of messy for the rest of the day tomorrow. Saturday, clouds dominate. It's still chilly, only 58. A little bit warmer on Sunday, back to 67. Another front on Monday. We may be 68 early, but temperatures will drop again. And another day on Tuesday in the 50s, except next week's front looks like it'll have some dry air behind it. We should see a little bit of sunshine for the middle part of next week. That is your updated First Warn 5 forecast.